Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 19th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the pound yen did go up. It did break structure on the 1 hour time frame. Now the daily time frame definitely did turn down this week, as you can see. And I do have an analysis that would possibly have us going down for potentially a few weeks for wave Y, taking out these lows before we continue back up, which I still think is pretty likely. But we do have to keep in mind that the weekly and the monthly is up, and because of that, there's always a chance that this move down was just a pullback to the last move up, and it potentially just keeps on going up. We always need to keep in mind our very high time frame moves. So now I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move down because these Fibonacci levels are definitely areas of support and resistance. If you're going up, obviously resistance. If you're going down, obviously support. I prefer to pay more attention to Fibonacci levels than the traditional support and resistance levels. There is a chance that this potentially is just going to be a pullback to the move down. So if you see three waves up to a fib level and then an impulsive down, I would definitely exit my longs and go short again. If it just goes up and makes a bounce, goes up, makes a bounce, goes up and makes a bounce, and does not break structure down at a Fibonacci level, then there's really no reason to get back short. But instead, I would just continue to look for longs. The key is not just seeing a Fibonacci bounce, but seeing a break of structure after the Fibonacci bounce to confirm that a wave is complete. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.